Hello, how are you? So today video, I will discuss what are the ways to earn money from doing t-shirt designs. Actually, it's not only t-shirt. So for print on demand. So it can be as hoodies, mugs, stickers, jackets, anything. So long sleeve like that. So one of the highest potential with the highest profit is from Amazon.com. So this is the site where most of the print on demand sellers are having the high income. So for example here, I will show you. Because this platform is the number one online selling in America and also other Western country. So most people will buy here, especially if they want to buy online. So their trusted website is Amazon. Amazon.com or Amazon.uk from UK, another country. So like here, I type only t-shirt animal. For example, some people want to buy animal t-shirt designs. If you see here, featured, it's image the tiger day only. This one sa, all over print. This one is like tiger only. So you see the stars 90. Some of the buyers will not rate this one, but this one you see 50 plus bought in the past month. This is very easy to do this, but you see here 612. This one I already made a couple of designs for my clients here for Amazon. Like this. I'm already made with the sunglasses with giraffe. See 7,000 stars. 100 plus bought in the past month. Sa paw print only, dog paw or cat paw. Paw print. This one do not do this. It's trademark. It's from the show. So see, you will get an idea. So if you create an AI like this one, you can create this one in AI. See the how many bought this one from Amazon. So this is the one is to sell on Amazon. But the problem here is it's not easy to get an approval even from US. You're from US sometimes you need to apply many times. Maybe some people I read before it's like 9 times they try to apply to become a seller here for merch by you will apply in merch by Amazon. So like this merch by Amazon. So you can apply here for merch by Amazon to sell here on Amazon. But other people are lucky. It's easy to get approval, especially from America, because they will require also a bank account in America and your address. I think they have a high probability of approval if you're from Western country, especially US. But some people, like some of my clients, are from Germany, from Europe. They are selling here in Amazon. For me, I'm always rejected. I applied many times. I heard from other people they are around 9 times or 14 times before they get approved from Amazon. So they applied many times. Especially if you're from Canada, Australia, you can be approved here. Okay. Now we will go to other. If this is the second best popular place to sell print on demand designs, this Redbubble. So I have 3 shops for this one. See, example so when I'm starting like 2019, I think, when I started uploading here around 2019. So clothing, t-shirts. Before, when I'm starting designing, I'm trying to learn this print on demand, I started uploading here in Redbubble. So I think I have close to maybe 3,400 I think I uploaded. But during that time, my designs are pretty bad and repeated designs. But now you cannot do that here. If you uploaded here repeated designs like same styles every time, they will put your account in the lowest tier. So they will not send enough traffic for your store. So that's what happened to my store. I am getting sales, but it's very low. It's very low as compared before. Before I'm around 50 $70 per month, but now I think it's dropped $10 and below for my other account. So I made another account for this one with better designs because as years go by, my designs are improving. So the good so this one avoid any trademark or copyrighted designs, so your account will not be banned. So this one you can upload up to 60 per day. What happened before is I'm uploading 60 but repeated designs. So right now my account is having a very low traffic. You need to promote in social media to if you want to have more traffic in your online store here, Redbubble. I think now they reduced the profit to $1. One da- no, not $1. Around maybe 1.5. It depends on the item. If the hoodies, I'm getting a bigger profit in hoodies here. For t-shirt, I think I'm getting more than $1 only, or around $2, $1 to $2 per t-shirt. For hoodies, maybe 4 or 6, I think. It depends because I'm getting sales from different products, not only t-shirts. Here, TeePublic. This is similar to Redbubble. So, right now, my highest selling is from TeePublic. May designs in Redbubble I can upload here also. But TeePublic, it's strict for designs. They don't want repeated also. So they want here as like a graphics or some with some text only. Because if you put here text designs only, it will not show up very much. Because my previous account here, I have too much funny quotes, and I'm not getting any sales for funny quotes. Very low traffic also. My sales from here are coming from graphic like this, graphic with text or graphics only. Like this, graphics only. So most of my sales here in TeePublic are like this. Because this is the one they want from TeePublic. They want they prioritize graphics designs here. That's they're going to show. I think when someone search here, maybe t-shirts. Yes, and your account will be on a higher artisan account. So you will gain more, and they will put you in the top searches here if your graphics designs. So if you focus on graphic designs, so you can upload 50 per day. So avoid any trademark here also. So for me, this is the best for my account. Then the second is Redbubble. Okay. So next is a Spreadshirt. See .com. This is similar to Redbubble, TeePublic. But you only have a limited designs here. I think my account here is around only 200, so I need to make sales, make lots of sales. So I'm getting some sales here, but not enough. Upload here. You can upload both. It's a separate account if you make spreadshirt.com and .co.uk. It's free. You can upload up to 200 designs here. Okay. Now, other thing, if you want to build your online store, your own business, so you can create from Shopify.com. So this one, you need to invest now because Shopify account have a monthly fee. So from Shopify, you can make your own website and integrate into a Printful or Printify to make your online store. So this one is a t-shirt online merch store, AAF Nation, one of the popular sites in US, America. The topic of this is about American AF. So they have their all the politics designs. So this is example of Shopify store. But you need the budget. You need to market your place. You need to pay advertisements. So you're paying monthly. So I prefer this one if you're in America, in a Western country. Because in our country, I'm from Philippines, if I make this one, they will require a business permits and I need to pay more. The lots of payment I need to pay before starting my online store to get receive a payment. Just to set up a payment gateway system in my store, I need to first apply for government approval and need business permit before I can get an payment gateway. Because in PayPal will not allow me here also. Right now they are prioritizing America, a Western country. So this one is not an option for me. But if from Western, so you can, I advise you to recommend you to start your own Shopify store. But do not put ugly designs because it will not sell. It's not worth your time. You're wasting your time. So aside from this, so like me, I'm doing print-on-demand designs since 2020, full time. Before I'm working as an engineer. So during the pandemic, I resigned my job during the time before the pandemic, around 2019. Then around 2020, I started learning this. 2019, I started before I resigned. I started learning this print-on-demand and how to design shirts. Then when I resigned, 2019. So I started getting applying for clients in Upwork. So this is Upwork. One of the way to earn is to provide your services. Especially for me, I'm doing this full time. T-shirt designs for print-on-demand designs. I'm doing full time since 2020. So this is one of the website where I get my client from Upwork.com. From Fiverr also I have gigs here. So I am offering gigs for t-shirt designs here. But here in the Behance.net, you can create your portfolio. Select your resume here for t-shirt graphics design. So this is where I make most of my income. So I just uploaded here a my good t-shirt designs, and some of the clients will contact me here. So this is the second most I get from the clients. So sometimes I'm doing a 3 to 4 clients. So maybe around I'm getting maybe around 800 to 1,400 per month dollars. So when I started for one client first. When I became familiar with the process, especially my Photoshop and Illustrator, I became familiar. So I started doing fast with the designs. Especially now, most of my client would ask me to create AI. Those are from the client. Because when I started, 2019, I'm doing my own designs. I'm sketching my own designs. So like this, before I'm sketching my own designs in Illustrator. Then I will add funny text. So like this. So this is my rough sketch. Rough sketches. It's not pretty good. After that, I'm using Vexels. So after that, some of my clients would ask me to download the assets here, vectors. So I can download here and I will just change the text. So like this. I will put some background, maybe a retro sunset, and change the text. So I'm also researching the text, or sometimes the client will give me the text. So I will put it here. So that's the way I'm earning the full time right now sa t-shirt designs, but I'm also earning from TeePublic, Redbubble, like side income. But some people are having high sales in TeePublic and Redbubble, and also Merch by Amazon. Especially if you reach 10,000 designs, 10,000, 5,000. I can advise you to aim for that 10,000 designs in TeePublic, Redbubble, more than. So you can relax after that. Because I see some people who have more than 10,000 designs, they're earning around $300, $800 a month. So if you don't have any work, so if you need a side hustle, so I recommend uploading designs here. If you can, especially now with AI, you can upload 50 designs, especially if you don't have any work. You don't have anything to do. You want to earn money, just keep on uploading here. 50, but be sure that it's not repeated. Avoid any trademark. You can just create. So you can just create maybe an animal head. Just giraffe, lion, or any dog breeds, cat breeds, even alien, planet Earth, like that. So like this, similar. So but avoid this one. You can make AI like this, like a T-Rex, robotic T-Rex, like that only, or cyborg T-Rex. Just keep on uploading here, especially TeePublic. So this is where I'm getting my sales also. So some of the people I saw have a good profit here. Especially if you reach 30,000, 50,000 designs. You can relax because like that's a completely passive income. But be sure there's a quality and fair designs. Okay. Bye-bye.